Humanoid robots are flipping across television stages in China, literally. During the country's massive Spring Festival gala broadcast, humanoid robots stunned viewers with kung fu-style moves. At the same time, Chinese smartphone maker Honor is preparing to reveal its own humanoid robot in Spain at the Mobile World Congress. But this isn't just about flashy demos. China is quietly pulling ahead in one of the most important tech races of the next decade. Here's the real story. China's humanoid robot industry is moving faster than its competitors in both speed and scale. Analysts say the country's massive manufacturing ecosystem and hardware supply chain give it a serious advantage. Much of that supply chain was built through the electric vehicle boom, which means components like sensors, motors, and batteries are already widely available. The result is simple. Chinese companies can build robots faster and cheaper than many Western rivals. In fact, one company, Unitree, reportedly shipped around 36 times more humanoid robots last year than US competitors like Figure and Tesla. That's a massive gap in an industry that's just getting started. If you're enjoying this breakdown so far, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below with your thoughts on the future of humanoid robots. Now here's the bigger context. The entire global humanoid robot market is still tiny. Only about 13,317 units shipped worldwide last year. But analysts expect the industry to grow incredibly fast, potentially reaching 2.6 million robots by 2035. Right now, the leading humanoid robot manufacturers by shipments are dominated by Chinese companies, including Agibot, Unitree, UBTech, Robotics, Engine AI, and Fourier Intelligence. But the industry is also shifting in an important way. Companies are moving from flashy demonstrations toward real-world usefulness. Businesses are asking a practical question. Can these robots actually do work reliably? That's where China may have another advantage. Government policies encourage automation, and the country's manufacturing ecosystem allows companies to test, improve, and deploy robots quickly. Still, there are major challenges ahead. The hardware for humanoid robots is improving rapidly, but the software, the robot brain, is still in its early stages. Companies are trying to build AI systems that can predict how robots should react in unpredictable environments. Unlike large language models, robotics companies cannot simply scrape the internet for training data. Instead, they rely heavily on simulations and limited real-world testing. Safety is another concern. A single major accident involving a humanoid robot could slow public acceptance and trigger stricter regulations. Because of these limitations, the first large-scale use cases will likely appear in controlled environments like factories, warehouses, and retail settings, places where tasks are repetitive and predictable. And while much of the conversation focuses on the US and China, other countries are also pushing forward. Japan, a longtime robotics leader, is targeting humanoid mass production by 2027, building on decades of innovation, like Honda's Asimo and SoftBank's Pepper robot. Meanwhile, Boston Dynamics plans to introduce a new Atlas humanoid robot for factory use by 2028, with a goal of producing up to 30,000 units per year in the United States. But right now, China's biggest advantage may simply be speed. The country's ecosystem compresses the entire cycle of robotics development, from research and supply chains to manufacturing and real-world deployment. That tight loop allows companies to learn faster and iterate faster than competitors. And in an industry that could eventually transform labor, manufacturing, and logistics, speed might be the ultimate competitive advantage. If you want to stay ahead of the biggest shifts happening in AI, robotics, and emerging technology, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And before you go, check out the related video appearing in the corner. It breaks down another major development shaping the future of AI.